Welcome to AI Unraveled, demystifying frequently asked questions on artificial intelligence, where we'll keep you up to date on the latest AI trends. In this episode, we'll explore the groundbreaking research, innovative applications, and emerging technologies that are pushing the boundaries of AI. Don't miss out on the latest in AI, so be sure to subscribe to stay updated on the latest ChatGPT and Google Bard trends. In today's episode, we'll cover Centaur Labs' app that gamifies medical data labeling, the rush of tech workers to become AI experts, the Vatican's AI ethics handbook, OpenAI's legal issues, data problems with language models, the use of AI chatbots in doctor-patient communication, recent advancements from Baidu, Google DeepMind, Unity AI, OpenAI, Snowflake, and NASA, OpenAI's GPT-4's performance in creative thinking, the impact of AI chip export restrictions on U.S. chip makers, OpenAI's ChatGPT's web searching capabilities, and the Wondercraft AI platform for starting a podcast. Today, we're diving into the world of medical data labeling and how it's being gamified to advance the field of artificial intelligence. Imagine a platform that turns this crucial task into an engaging game, where medical professionals can contribute their expertise and get rewarded for it. That's exactly what Centaur Labs, founded by the brilliant MIT alumnus Eric Duhaime, has done with their innovative app called Diagnosis. The concept is simple but powerful. Diagnosis presents medical professionals with data that needs to be labeled correctly. By participating in this game-like platform, these experts are not only helping to improve the accuracy of medical AI, but they also have a chance to win some small cash prizes. It's a win-win situation. With the gamification of medical data labeling, Centaur Labs is transforming a mundane task into an exciting opportunity for professionals in the field. It's not just about the prizes, it's about the collective impact they can make in advancing AI technology in healthcare. This innovation comes at a time when AI is becoming increasingly prominent in the medical field, offering capabilities such as medical imaging analysis, diagnosis suggestions, and prediction of patient outcomes. However, for these AI algorithms to perform at their best, they need large amounts of accurately labeled data for training. This is where Diagnosis steps in, tapping into the expertise of medical professionals and harnessing their knowledge to fuel the growth of AI in healthcare. By contributing their labeling skills, medical professionals are essentially becoming an integral part of the AI development process. They are the ones shaping the future of medical technology by ensuring that AI algorithms learn from high-quality, human-labeled data. It's a unique opportunity for these professionals to have a direct impact on the advancement of AI in healthcare, starting with something as seemingly simple as data labeling. With Diagnosis, Centaur Labs is bridging the gap between medical professionals and AI technology. It's not just about the challenge of labeling data, it's about the collaborative effort to push the boundaries of AI in medicine and improve patient care. And when you combine the thrill of competition with the greater goal of advancing healthcare, you've got a winning formula. So the next time you think about the immense potential of AI in the medical field, remember the unsung heroes behind it all. The medical professionals who are gamifying data labeling and propelling AI forward. Together, they are shaping the future of healthcare, one labeled data point at a time. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Have you heard the buzz about AI specialists becoming the new rock stars of the tech industry? It's true. With the job market becoming more uncertain for tech professionals, everyone is scrambling to reinvent themselves as AI experts. Why, you ask? Well, the surge in demand and high pay in the AI sector is hard to resist. Silicon Valley is seeing a major shift in focus towards AI technology, and this has caused tech workers to emphasize their AI skills during their job hunt. It's like a scramble to become AI experts overnight. The decrease in demand for non-AI tech jobs has left many feeling job insecure, so they're desperately trying to stand out by highlighting their AI expertise. But here's the thing. AI is not just attracting attention from tech workers. Despite cutbacks in the tech industry, investments in AI keep pouring in, creating even higher demand, improved pay, and better perks for AI specialists. It's like a gold rush in the AI world. Tech professionals are quickly realizing that possessing AI skills can give them a significant advantage during salary negotiations. Who doesn't want a little more cha-ching in their pockets, right? Now, let's talk about the transition to AI. In order to meet the rising demand, tech workers are exploring every avenue to gain AI skills. Some are opting for on-the-job training, while others are enrolling in boot camps or taking up self-education. It's all about getting hands-on experience with AI systems, which is often seen as the best learning approach. And there you have it. From the scramble to become AI experts to the attractive investment in AI and the transition process, tech workers are doing everything they can to ride the AI wave. After all, who wouldn't want to be the it girl or guy in the tech industry? Hey there! Exciting news from the Vatican. They've just released their very own AI ethics handbook. It's a comprehensive guide that offers valuable guidance to tech companies when it comes to navigating the ethical challenges posed by AI, machine learning, and other related areas. This handbook is the result of a collaboration between Pope Francis and Santa Clara University, and it's a product of their newly formed entity called the Institute for Technology, Ethics, and Culture, ITEC. Their first project together is called Ethics in the Age of Disruptive Technologies, an operational roadmap, which aims to help tech companies everywhere tackle the ethical dilemmas surrounding AI and other advanced technologies. One thing that makes ITEC's approach unique is that they're not waiting for governmental regulation to step in. Instead, they're proposing proactive guidance for tech companies, encouraging them to address AI's ethical questions right from the start. They believe in building values and principles into technology right from the inception stage, so that potential issues can be avoided in the first place. The handbook itself revolves around a powerful overarching principle. Our actions are for the common good of humanity and the environment. It's a guiding light for tech companies, and it's further broken down into 7 important guidelines. These guidelines include things like respect for human dignity and rights, and promote transparency and explainability. But they don't just leave it at that. These guidelines are then translated into a whopping 46 actionable steps. And that's not all. The handbook goes into great detail on how to implement these principles and guidelines. It provides examples, definitions, and specific steps for tech companies to follow so they can truly integrate ethics into their AI technologies. It's refreshing to see the Vatican take a proactive approach in addressing AI ethics, and their handbook is sure to make a significant impact in the tech world. Stay tuned for more updates on how tech companies respond to this call for ethical responsibility. So, OpenAI has found itself in the midst of a class action lawsuit. A California law firm is leading the charge, alleging copyright and privacy violations. The lawsuit argues that OpenAI has been improperly using people's online data, such as social media comments and blog posts, to train its technology. The lawsuit was filed by the law firm Clarkson, which specializes in large-scale class action suits. They are concerned about OpenAI's commercial use of individuals' online data, which they believe infringes on copyright and privacy rights. The case has been taken to the federal court in the Northern District of California. As of now, OpenAI has not yet commented on the matter, so we'll have to wait and see how they respond. What's interesting about this lawsuit is that it raises some important legal questions surrounding generative AI tools. These tools, like chatbots and image generators, rely on vast amounts of internet data to make predictions and respond to prompts. However, the legality of using this data for commercial gain remains unclear. Some AI developers argue that this should be considered fair use of the data, claiming that it undergoes a transformative change when used in AI models. But the issue of fair use is highly debated in copyright law and will likely need to be addressed in future court rulings. This lawsuit is just one example of the legal challenges faced by AI companies. We've seen several incidents where companies were sued for the improper use of data in training their AI models. OpenAI and Microsoft, for instance, faced a class action lawsuit over using computer code from GitHub. Getty Images also sued Stability AI for allegedly using its photos illegally. And let's not forget the lawsuit OpenAI faced for defamation over the content produced by ChatGPT. This trend of legal challenges only highlights the complexities that arise as AI technology continues to advance. It will be interesting to see how the courts navigate these issues and establish clear guidelines for AI companies moving forward. In the world of predicting legal outcomes from court documents, there's a battle between two powerful forces, OpenAI and data-centric AI. These giants, along with other providers like Cohere, Harvey.ai, and Hugging Face, are harnessing the potential of large language models, LLMs, to push the boundaries of what can be achieved with text data in court cases. However, even with all the advancements made, there's one significant hurdle that needs to be addressed: data problems. Like any real-world dataset, legal document collections are not without their flaws. These issues can limit the reliability and accuracy of models trained on such data, no matter how cutting-edge they are. But fear not. We have a solution to this problem, and it comes in the form of AI. We've developed an automated approach that uses AI to refine the data and iron out these lingering issues. And the results speak for themselves. Using this approach can lead to a remarkable 14% reduction in prediction errors, all without changing the type of model you're using. That's right, it's all about the data. Feeding your models healthy, clean, and well-refined data is the key to unlocking their full potential. It's more important than obsessing over the type of model you choose to use. So, if you're looking to predict legal judgments from court case descriptions, remember that data-centric AI is the way to go. It works for any machine learning model and can even enable simpler models to outperform the most sophisticated, fine-tuned OpenAI LLM in this task. In conclusion, when it comes to predicting legal outcomes from court documents, don't underestimate the power of data. With the right approach, you can unlock the true potential of your models and make accurate predictions that have a real impact. So, did you know that artificial intelligence, AI, is now being used to help doctors communicate with patients in a more compassionate way? It's true. AI chatbots like ChatGPT are not only assisting doctors with technical tasks, but they're also proving to be quite effective in showcasing empathy, sometimes even surpassing human doctors. Let me give you a couple of examples. ER physician Dr. Josh Tamayo-Sarver had an encounter with a patient's family where he used ChatGPT-4 to explain a complex medical situation using simpler and more compassionate language. The AI-generated response was so thoughtful and empathetic that it helped comfort the patient's family and saved the doctor time. Another example involves Dr. Gregory Moore, who used ChatGPT to provide compassionate counsel to a friend with advanced cancer. This included breaking bad news and helping her cope with emotional struggles. And it's not just doctors using AI like this. Rheumatologist Dr. Richard Stern uses ChatGPT in his practice to write kind responses to patient emails, provide compassionate replies to their questions, and even manage paperwork. But you might be wondering, why is AI so successful in displaying empathy? Well, unlike humans, AI tools aren't affected by work stress, limited coaching, or the need to maintain a work-life balance. And AI chatbots, like ChatGPT, have been proven effective in generating text responses that make patients feel understood and cared for. It's pretty fascinating how AI is transforming the way doctors interact with patients. With the help of technology, doctors can now provide a higher level of empathy and compassion. And who knows, maybe one day AI will be the go-to support system for doctors in their quest to deliver the best patient care possible. I have some exciting AI news to share with you today. Let's start with Baidu. They've just released a new version of their AI model called Ernie 3.5, which has surpassed ChatGPT in comprehensive ability scores. Not only that, but Ernie 3.5 also outperformed GPT-4 in several Chinese capabilities. Baidu has invested in better training and inference efficiency for this model, making it faster and cheaper for future iterations. It even supports external plugins. Next up, Google DeepMind is getting ready to launch their own AI system called Gemini. Demis Hassabis, the CEO of DeepMind, is confident that Gemini will rival OpenAI's ChatGPT. This new system has some amazing capabilities, including planning and problem solving. DeepMind is excited to set a new benchmark for AI-driven chatbots with Gemini. Moving on to Unity AI, they have some game-changing AI products to offer. First, there's Unity Muse, a text-to-3D application that can be embedded in games. Then there's Unity Sentis, which allows developers to embed any AI model into their game or application. And let's not forget about the AI Marketplace, where developers can choose from a selection of AI solutions to build their games. Unity AI is really revolutionizing game development with these offerings. OpenAI has some interesting plans for ChatGPT as well. They want to turn it into a Supersmart personal assistant for businesses. This means that the business version of ChatGPT will have in-depth knowledge of individual employees and their workplaces. It'll be able to assist with tasks like drafting emails or documents in an employee's unique style, while also incorporating the latest business data. OpenAI is really aiming to provide personalized assistance through AI. Snowflake has also made some exciting announcements at their annual conference. They've introduced Document AI, which is an LLM-based interface that allows enterprises to efficiently extract valuable insights from their documents. This is a game changer for the data industry, as it revolutionizes the way enterprises derive value from their document-centric assets. NVIDIA is making waves in the AI industry as well. They've set a new industry standard benchmark for generative AI with their H100 GPUs. In just 11 minutes, a cluster of 3,584 H100 GPUs completed a massive GPT-3-based benchmark. This is a significant achievement for NVIDIA and demonstrates their expertise in generative AI. Now let's talk about a voice-based ordering system using Google Dialogflow CX. VoiceBot is an AI-powered software that allows users to interact using voice without any other form of communication like IVR or chatbot. It uses natural language processing, NLP, to power its software. Today, we're going to dive into Dialogflow by Google and explore how one can create a voice bot using this technology. Last but not least, we have NASA. They are developing a system that will allow astronauts to use a natural language interface similar to ChatGPT in space. This goes against what we've seen in movies where AI is portrayed as a threat. NASA is taking a different approach and sees the potential of using AI assistance in space. That's all for today's AI update. Stay tuned for more exciting news in the world of artificial intelligence. So, there's some interesting news we'd like to share with you today. A team of researchers, which includes professors from the University of Montana and Western, recently conducted a study on OpenAI's GPT-4. And guess what? The results were quite impressive. GPT-4 actually scored in the top 1% on the Torrance tests of creative thinking, TTT. Not only that, but it even matched or outperformed humans in the creative abilities of fluency, flexibility, and originality. That's pretty amazing. On another note, we've got some updates on the tech industry. Shares of US chipmakers took a bit of a hit recently. This came after reports surfaced that the Biden administration may be planning to put new restrictions on the export of computing chips for artificial intelligence to China. These restrictions might be implemented as early as July. It'll be interesting to see how this situation unfolds and how it impacts the industry. Now, let's talk about OpenAI's ChatGPT app. They've just introduced a new feature called browsing. This feature allows users to search the web directly from the app. However, there's a catch. You can only search through Bing. While this feature does give ChatGPT access to up-to-date information beyond its training data, some people see the limitation of only using Bing as a bit of a drawback. Nevertheless, it's cool to see how AI continues to evolve and bring new capabilities to the table. Oh, and there's more. The ChatGPT app has another handy feature now. Users can access search results directly within the conversation. So, you can have a chat and find the information you need without leaving the app. It's all about convenience, right? That wraps up today's tech updates. As usual, we'll keep you posted on any more exciting advancements and developments. Stay tuned. Hey there, AI Unraveled podcast listeners. Are you ready to take your knowledge of artificial intelligence to the next level? Well, have we got news for you? We've just released our essential book called AI Unraveled, Demystifying Frequently Asked Questions on Artificial Intelligence. And it's available now on Google, Apple, and Amazon. This engaging read is packed with all the answers to your burning questions about AI. We know you're curious about this captivating world, and we're here to provide you with valuable insights that will keep you ahead of the curve. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned AI enthusiast, this book is a must-have addition to your collection. So don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to elevate your knowledge. Head over to Apple, Google, or Amazon today to get your hands on a copy of AI Unraveled, Demystifying Frequently Asked Questions on Artificial Intelligence. Trust us, you won't regret it. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode, where we covered a range of exciting topics, including Centaur Labs' app that gamifies medical data labeling with cash prizes, the surge of tech workers becoming AI experts, the Vatican's AI ethics handbook, OpenAI's legal troubles, the limitations of advanced language models in legal predictions, AI chatbots revolutionizing doctor-patient communication, the latest advancements in AI technology from Baidu, Google DeepMind, Unity AI, Snowflake, NVIDIA, and NASA, OpenAI's GPT-4's exceptional creative thinking abilities, the impact of AI chip export restrictions on U.S. chip makers, and finally, the Wondercraft AI platform and the book AI Unraveled for all your AI needs. Thanks for listening to today's episode. I'll see you guys at the next one, and don't forget to subscribe.